Looking for a high-tech borescope that makes engine inspections easy? The Teslong TD450S articulating borescope is getting rave reviews. Let's dive into what makes it a standout tool and how people use it. It features a flexible articulating camera with a sharp 4.5-inch LCD screen, waterproof probe, built-in LED lights, and a rechargeable battery. Perfect for professionals and DIYers in automotive, plumbing, HVAC, and home inspections. Key features include two-way articulation for precise camera angles, bright 4.5-inch display, no phone needed, works well in sunlight, powerful LED lighting to brighten dark spaces, waterproof probe, built for tough environments, rechargeable battery that lasts for hours. Users apply it in many ways. Automotive repairs inspect engine parts without disassembly, plumbing find clogs or leaks fast. Home inspections check behind walls or ceilings, boat maintenance reach tight compartments. One user said, "The articulation is smooth and precise, found a cracked valve in minutes." Another mentioned, "Clear screen, easy to use in tight spots, worth every penny." A homeowner found a rat nest inside a wall, saving lots of time. Some users wish for longer battery life during heavy use and a carrying case, but overall, it holds up well and is easy to operate. Compared to cheaper models, the Teslong TD450S offers superior clarity, articulation, and simplicity. No flimsy cables or buggy apps, just solid real-time visuals on a built-in screen. If you want a reliable inspection camera without breaking the bank, the Teslong TD450S is a great choice. Click the Amazon link below to get yours today. As an affiliate, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Pro tip, keep the lens clean with a microfiber cloth after use for clearer images and longer device life.